A Whitney Point man has been arrested for driving his pickup truck onto an occupied vehicle. The Broome County Sheriff's Office charged 35-year-old Travis Ross with reckless endangerment and assault. Police say that at around 1:30 in the morning yesterday, Ross purposely tried to ram the front of a Mitsubishi Eclipse parked on Prospect Street in the town of Triangle with two people inside. Instead, his GMC pickup truck ended up on top of the car. The two occupants were able to flee the scene without injury and run to call 911. Police say they found Ross still sitting in the driver's seat of the pickup on top of the Eclipse. They say Ross said he was frustrated by crime in the neighborhood and people parking their vehicles on his road.